Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the healthy and delicious spaghetti squash for diabetics. Spaghetti squash is a versatile vegetable that can be used as a low-carb and nutritious alternative to traditional pasta. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with Weightask, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 spaghetti squash ½ cup reduced, fat sour cream 1 egg, lightly beaten 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon dried Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 3/4 cup, reduced 1/4 cup reduced. First of all, place spaghetti squash in a soup pot with 1 inch of water. Cover and bring to a boil over high heat. Cook 25 to 30 minutes or until a knife can be inserted into the center. Remove from pot and cool slightly. Cut squash in half lengthwise, remove seeds, and using a fork, scrape out strands of squash. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat a 1/2 quart baking dish with cooking spray. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups squash and remaining ingredients. Mix well. Bake 35 to 40 minutes or until browned on top and heated through. Serve the spaghetti squash, garnished with chopped fresh pears lay if desired. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.